Hi everyone, in today's video let us learn how to perform all above experiment for 3-phase UPS. Objectives: at the end of this video you will be able to identify front and rear pound controls and indicators of 3-phase UPS, measure the input and output voltages, perform load test using lamp loads.
Let us collect the tools and equipment required to do this practical. Trainees Toolkit 1 set. Number 2. 3-phase UPS with operating manual 1 number. Digital multimeter with probes 1 number. Safety gloves 1 number. Cotton waste 1 number. Incandescent 230 volt 100 watt 3 numbers. Pendant holder 3 numbers. Connecting wires as required. Hookup wires as required. Safety precaution. Step 1. Earth connection is critical before connecting the input supply. Hence, ensure proper earth connection. Step 2. Wait 5 minutes before opening the UPS to allow the capacitor to discharge after the UPS is switched off. Step 3. Do not keep open the terminal block cover while the inverter is on. Procedure. Task 1. Identify front and rear panel controls. Step 1. Note down and record the specification of the UPS. The rear panel usually houses the input power connections, where the UPS is connected to the mains power supply. Step 2. Draw the front panel of the UPS with all indicators and switch. The front panel often features a display screen or LCD panel that provides important information about the UPS, such as input or output voltage, current load, battery status, alarms, and system status. Step 3. Identify each indicator and control on the front panel and record the observation in the tabulation. Serial number 1. Name of the indicator and switch. Input supply indicator. Purpose. This indicator is an LED indicator that verifies that all 3 phases of the input power supply are present. Number 2. Online indicator. In this mode, the main supply is present and the UPS continuously converts incoming AC power to DC and then back to AC, providing a stable and regulated output voltage and frequency to connected devices. Number 3. On battery indicator. When the on battery indicator is illuminated, the UPS draws power from its internal battery system to supply electricity to connected devices. This backup power source helps maintain continuity of operations and prevent downtime during power outages or disturbances. Number 4. Overload indicator. The overload indicator illuminates or flashes to indicate that the UPS is currently experiencing an overload condition. This occurs when the total power drawn by the connected devices exceeds the UPS maximum rated capacity. Number 5. Fault indicator. The fault indicator illuminates or flashes to indicate the presence of a fault or abnormal condition detected by the UPS. These faults can include various issues such as internal component failures, circuit malfunctions, or environmental factors affecting UPS operation. Number 6. Battery charge level indicator. The battery indicator displays the current level of charge remaining in the UPS batteries. When the battery charge level falls below a certain threshold, the indicator may illuminate or flash to indicate a low battery condition. Number 7. Battery bypass indicator. The battery bypass indicator serves to inform users when the UPS is operating in bypass mode, where the load is directly powered by the mains utility supply without passing through the UPS internal battery system. Number 8. Load on UPS indicator. The presence of the load on indicator assures users that the UPS is operational and properly configured to supply power to connected loads. Number 9. UPS on or off button. The on or off button is used to control the main power supply to the UPS unit. Pressing the button activates or deactivates the UPS. allowing users to turn the unit on or off as needed. Step 4. Identify and record the rear panel switches and connectors in tabulation. Serial number 1. Name of the switch and connect. Battery terminals. Purpose. Usually the batteries for the UPS are connected to the rear side of the UPS through battery terminals marked with a positive or red color and a negative or black color terminals. Number 2. Input terminals. There are input terminals for each of the three phases R, Y and B. These terminals connect to the respective phases of the incoming AC power supply. Additionally, there will be terminals for the neutral connection N. Number 3. Output terminals. There are output terminals for each of the three phases R, Y and B. These terminals connect to the respective phases at the input of the load terminals. Additionally, there will be terminals for the neutral connection N. Number 4. Input switch. A 4-pole circuit breaker MCB has 4 switching mechanisms that can simultaneously open or close all three phases R, Y and B, along with the neutral conductor. The input switch allows for complete isolation of the UPS from the incoming utility power source. In case of an emergency or maintenance requirement, the input switch provides a means to quickly and safely shut off power to the UPS. Number 5. Output switch. Similar to the input switch, the output switch is also a 4-pole circuit breaker MCB, which provides a means to isolate the UPS from the connected critical loads. This isolation is crucial for maintaining and servicing, allowing technicians to provide on the UPS or connected equipment safely without the risk of exposure to live electrical circuits. Number 6. Battery fuses. In the event of a short circuit or other electrical fault within the battery circuit, the fuse will blow or trip, interrupting the flow of current and preventing damage to the batteries and associated components. Number 7. Manual bypass switch. By bypassing the UPS system, the switch allows electrical power to flow directly from the input source to the output loads, ensuring continuity of power supply even when the UPS is offline for maintenance or servicing.
Recap. In this video, we have discussed how to identify the front and rear bound controls and indicators of the three-phase UPS. Thank you for watching.